How to delete Instagram messages. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I will tell you how to delete the message in application Instagram. Watch the video from beginning to end so as not to miss anything and avoid mistakes. First, open the Instagram app, go to your private messages and select the chat where you need to delete the message. In fact, it's very simple, you just have to delete the message you want and then press delete. This function will help to delete a message from both participations in the dialogue. If you want to completely delete the dialogue, you need to go back to the list of personal messages, choose the chat you want and hold the finger to the left, which will show you the option delete, which will again burn red. Then click on this option. You have now removed the dialogue from your list of private messages, but the person with whom the dialogue was conducted will still see the message in it, if they do not delete the chat in themselves. I hope it was useful for you.